Meaning of indefinably.
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 Indefinably. The term indefinably refers to something that is difficult or impossible to define or describe precisely. It suggests that there is an inherent quality or characteristic of the thing in question that is beyond words, elusive and hard to pinpoint. Whether it's a feeling, an experience, or an abstract concept, the term indefinably indicates that there is something mysterious, intangible, or ineffable about it. When we use indefinably to describe something, we imply that it defies easy categorization or explanation, and that it invites further exploration and contemplation.